Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to install Steam without admin rights using a simple workaround. First, open your browser and download the Steam installer from the official website. Once the download finishes, do not run it normally. Instead, right-click the installer and choose Extract using tools like WinRAR or 7-Zip. Open the extracted folder and locate the Steam setup files inside. Now, copy this entire folder to a location that does not require admin permission, such as your documents or a USB drive. Open the folder and run the Steam executable file directly. Steam will begin updating and setting itself up inside that folder instead of system directories. Let the update complete, then log in with your Steam account as usual. Steam should now work without needing administrator access. Keep in mind that some games may still require admin rights to install or run properly, depending on their system requirements and security settings. Subscribe the channel for more videos.